Is your Android disconnecting from Wi-Fi? Try these quick fixes. First, open Settings and tap Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi. Select your network, tap Forget, then reconnect by entering your password. If it still drops, toggle the Wi-Fi switch off and on to reset the connection. Next, update your phone, open Settings, go to System, then System Update. Make sure Wi-Fi Assist or Smart Network Switch is disabled in Advanced Wi-Fi settings. Now check Battery Optimization, open Settings, Battery, then Battery Optimization or Battery Usage. Find your Wi-Fi related apps or system services and choose Don't Optimize to keep Wi-Fi awake. Also disable background data limits and sleep restrictions for Wi-Fi connections. Power cycle your router, unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait to reconnect. If problems persist, restart your phone and test another network to isolate the issue. Recap, forget and reconnect, disable battery optimization, reboot the router. Subscribe for more quick tech fixes.